Hello, I will present you EtherBlacklist, which enables to blacklist scams addresses using NFTs. So everyone knows that the ecosystem is full of hacks and scams, and people, but even protocols can be targeted, as we saw this week with the Poly network hack. I think everyone is also aware of all these bots which come in all the social networks to ensure you to double your cryptocurrencies. The problem is that blockchains are trustless environments and funds can easily be lost or stolen. So I will take back the example of the Poly network hack. We can see that Etherscan has tagged this address using several keywords and linking some information related to the hack. We can also see that Poly network asked on their Twitter to each exchanges and protocols to blacklist the address of the hackers. So these approaches are mostly centralized and there is a lack of accessibility to the data and transparency. So we want to provide a way to improve it using NFTs and dropping them to the bad actors. So how does EtherBlacklist works? First, we have to identify the bad actors. It can be done in a community collaborative process using a DAO or any dispute resolution platform. After, we have to drop them some NFTs which will be untransferable and unburnable, and then any protocols and app will be able to easily check for their existence and to implement automatical checks. So what EtherBlacklist brings to the ecosystem? The blacklist will be stored on-chain, so anyone can access why, how, and who. Smart contracts can also implement some restrictions using such NFTs, and they can also warn the users if they are trying to interact with a bad actor, for example. Now it's time for the demo. Okay, so we are on the Ether blacklist page, so we can enter an Ethereum address to check if it has been blacklisted. So first I will connect with my MetaMask and enter my address. We can see that I don't hold any blacklist marks, so you can enter it safely with me. If you want to send a transaction, everything will be good. Now I will check for this address, which was involved in the Poly network exploit a few days ago. You can see that it is identified as a hacker, so if you want to still send a transaction to him, you will have a warning asking if you are sure to continue. Now I will check for this address, which holds two other marks identified as a scammer and extortionist. And if I go on his wallet, so this is the same address, and we can see that it holds the two marks identified as NFT. So what's coming next? We will establish a sustainable business model, then we will focus on the DAO to provide a community-curated list of bad actors, and also to be able to fix and to burn marks if the community raised that they are not valid. We will also provide a user-friendly interface to assist in the mark definition and airdrop process. Thank you. Feel free to contact us.